Hey everyone, Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here to show you how to reset the Beats Studio Pro headphones. If you already have them paired with your phone, you will need to forget that pairing once you reset them. But the first thing you'll do is if they're already on, you turn them off and then you just hold down the power button and you'll see them turn back on. You'll see them then go into pairing mode and then you keep holding the button down until you see a red light. And as you can see, they've now disconnected from this phone and we could pair them back together. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to keep waiting until we see that red light. Just like that. You see there's a red light flashing intermittently with the white lights. This can fix a number of issues with these headphones, ranging from connection problems to other random issues such as charging issues or other random software glitches you might find. And then once you've reset them, you can just go ahead and connect back to them if you have an iPhone on this little menu, or you can connect them in the Bluetooth settings just of your Android device or any other device that you're using. If you do need to forget them from your device, all you have to do is go into the little side menu of your Bluetooth device and then go down and forget the device. That will look a little different on Android, but it's a similar process. That is how you reset the Beats Studio Pro headphones. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and have a lovely day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.